So this is my new project. It is a Predator 4000 watt generator and a Echo chainsaw. Free. Came from a guy called Mr. Mark. Thank you, Mr. Mark, for both of those. Now let's see if we can get the generator running. I'm gonna put some fuel in it, check the oil, and see if it'll run. Alright, here we go. Okay, so the sticker is wrong. Up's on, sideways off. So I literally just took off the fuel line, figured that out, turned it on, choked it, then turned off the choke, and it ran great. So let's see if it'll fire up by itself. Alright, there we go. Now time to see if it'll make power. Next, time to, where did I set it? Change the oil. If I can find what I did with it. I'm gonna put some Rotella 1540 in this generator. I figured it smelled a little bit like gas, but I'm not sure, but it could probably use an oil change. It looks pretty, the thing's pretty new, but we'll just change it real quick and boom. Then we'll have a good running generator. Okay, just got the oil changed. I fired it up, shut it off, checked it again. It's good. It's a little overfull, but since it's splash lubricated, I think it shouldn't hurt it. Because I've overfilled a lot of stuff. When you have a low oil sensor like in a go-kart, so when you go around a turn, it doesn't die. Yeah, I've overfilled it before, and it didn't hurt it, so. But it should, so I'm just going to let it run a little bit. See how she does. Helps if you have the ignition switch on. So I'm just gonna let this sucker run for a little bit while I take off the bar and chain off the chainsaw and mix some fuel so it'll run. And hopefully it'll run. So let's get this thing to fire up. I'm gonna say it's gonna take 1 or 2 pulses. That's on, that's on. It's actually pretty quiet. Gonna let that run for a while I take off the bar off of this chainsaw. Alright, I actually found out it had fuel in it. So I actually just got it running. So it should fire it up. Okay, so as you saw, I got the chainsaw running. I put back on the bar and tighten the chain, all that stuff, put some bar oil in it, and I didn't have to do anything to it really. All I did was check the fuel and pump up the primer bulb and then pull it and choke it and stuff like that. And it ran. Excuse me. And this one, all I had to do was figure out that this sticker right here is wrong. Sideways is off and up and down is on. So now this runs great, and I changed the oil, and that's it. Thanks for watching.